Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to solve the Starlink restricted connection issue. So if Starlink says your connection is restricted or you're unable to access internet properly, just follow along. First, open the Starlink app and check for any account alerts or service notifications. Next, make sure your Starlink subscription is active and that there are no outstanding payment issues on your account. After that, restart your Starlink system by unplugging the router, waiting about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in again. After that, give it a few minutes to reconnect. You should also check all the cables to make sure they are securely connected and not damaged. Next, open the Starlink app and check for obstructions. If trees, buildings, or other objects are blocking the dish's view of the sky, your connection may be affected. Another fix is to make sure you're using Starlink in a supported location and according to your service plan. You should also update the Starlink app to the latest version from the App Store. And if you've recently moved your Starlink equipment, verify that your plan allows service in the new area. So those are the best ways to solve the Starlink restricted connection issue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.